Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get more connections on LinkedIn. So firstly, launch LinkedIn application. Then make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now in order to add more connections, you can simply go to the search bar and search for the name of the contact or the person you wish to connect with. You can also simply go back and tap on the option of My Network. Now, once you come here, you'll see various suggestions to you by LinkedIn. You can join various groups or you can even follow various peoples. Now, if you scroll down more below, you'll see different profiles of different people. You can tap on the option of connect and you will be able to make connections with them once they accept you to their networks. So that's how simply you can get more connections on your LinkedIn account. So this is it for today. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.